Alright, so if you've got an important PDF and you don't want anyone else opening or editing it, yeah, you should password protect it. With Smallpdf, you can secure your file in just a few clicks. So in 2026, let's go step by step and protect your PDF with a password. First, open your browser and go to the Smallpdf website. You'll see all the PDF tools in one place. Now click on Protect PDF. This tool lets you add a password to your document. Next, upload your PDF file. You can drag and drop it or select it from your device. Now enter a strong password. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Re-enter the password to confirm it. This makes sure there are no mistakes. Now click Protect and wait a few seconds. Smallpdf will encrypt your file automatically. Once it's done, download your protected PDF file. Now anyone who opens it will need the password. Open the file and check it. You should see a password prompt before it opens. So yeah, that's how to protect a PDF with a password using Smallpdf in 2026. Simple steps, and your document is now safely secured.